My name is Joseph, working as manager in State Bank, presently in Chennai. And last year, while I'm working in Nagarkoil, it so happened I went to CSI bookstall, and I had a habit of reading all the Christian prominent books in order to have certain biographies of the eminent generals of the God. While so, I have seen the Cruel Curses Breaking as well as Soul Ties book of Benita's sister, and I just glanced through it, and I found it quite interesting while going through the introduction page itself. While so, I had taken those books and went to my home, and night I started going through the whole of the book, and finally at the end of the prayers and all, I have broken those soul ties as well as curses and all. I felt for myself physically there was certain change in me. After that, I was so weighing very feather-light and all, and I felt it quite amazing that lot of burden in me has, as if it has left out. Prior to that, I have the gifts of discernment of spirits as well as healing. Though I am working as a professional banker and all, I used to go to my native place, Guntur, and I used to support certain ministries. Since certain of the pastors knew about my gifts, they used to call me onto the stage, and owing to the visions and dreams, everything, I used to tell them what actually the root cause of their sufferings and troubles. While so, after this particular book reading, certain level of my anointment has increased. That's what I have clearly noticed. These two books have made a total transformation, not only in my personal life, but the most noticeable thing which I observed over here when I joined here in the School of Holy Spirit is that, and while I started speaking in tongues and I'm praying for it, telephonically I used to deliver people, and I used to send the hard copies of these books to those places, and I used to ask them to recite after me. And subsequently, whatever the demons they are being possessed, whatever their curses that were there in their families, whether it is physical, spiritual, and whatever the obstacles they are being reeling under, are being totally delivered. It is such an amazing thing for me. I couldn't understand, but I am thanking God for not only He has made such a wonderful thing in my life of physically being delivered and making several people, scores of people, and it's my heart burden in order to make them as well as many people to lead them tremendously through these books. I also sincerely advise you to purchase and introduce these books so that whoever does it on their own, they themselves are getting, they don't need of any pastor or anybody or any time to lead them in order to get themselves relieved totally and permanently. And these two books are so amazing. Much more thing is that for me especially, I could know the root causes. If suppose any sorcerer is doing any witchcraft or any other thing, the demons are naming the person and where they and what they were doing as well. It's such an amazing, so many of the testimonies of 80 to 90%, the root causes are being delivered and it's a permanent deliverance. So there was a drastic change. But rather than any other deliverances, which I have noticed in my own personal experience and all, these two books are doing wonders.